Melanie drumming.
Oh, I didn't see that. Oh, cool. Do you love to play the drums? You're a bongoer. Hello.
That was weird.
You're a very good drummer, Melanie.
Yeah!
She's even got where like they hold it with their feet.
Get it.
Someday when you're a famous drummer and that someone's interviewing you and they say, when did you start drumming? You can say 7 months. Here, check out this video.
Yep, it's true. And we can sell this video.
Yep, like Justin Bieber.
We can sell the rights to this video. Except now that we said that, nobody probably wants it.
There you go. Can you use the spoon to hit the drum? Watch. Watch, use the spoon to hit the drum. You can do it. You just want to eat the spoon? Are you going to try to get the whole thing in your mouth? There you go. That's good. Melanie, don't put the whole thing in your mouth. It'll hurt. There you go. Good girl. What else can you hit it with? Yeah, is that fun?